Hello, and welcome everyone for our next class session about physical contaminants and how they might get in our food while making cherry tomato pasta, which you will be mindful about when it comes to a certain sensory perception, which I will get into later. We're going to start off with some basil. Some things that can get into a sauce while you're creating this is if plates or glasses break nearby, they could get into your food. You're going to have to discard everything that you've created if something like this were to happen. Nails, boards, and fingernail polish. Now, take some cherry tomatoes. Be sure to wash them all before you add olive oil and sugar to the tomato sauce. The reason why I add sugar is because it takes out the acidity in the tomatoes. Put it in a dish that you could put in the oven. Set the oven to 350. Let it cook for 35 minutes. And then once it's done, take it out. Put it in a blender with the basil that you cut up earlier and some salt. And that's it. You're done. As you see, we boiled some noodles according to the directions on the box, which you can get anywhere if you want to. I could teach you how to make noodles. Then you strain them, and there you have it. You have your noodles are ready to be mixed in with the sauce. Make sure all the water's out of those noodles. These are my favorite type of noodles. And you can use any noodles you want. And here we go. Pour it in with the sauce. And you are done. You have made your own tomato sauce from scratch in a matter of 35 minutes. This time, you are going to mindfully write about what you heard while you were creating this and write about it in your journal this time for this week's lesson. Enjoy!